Welcome to Car World. Today, we take you on an exclusive ride into the future with the all-new 2025 Duster ECO-G SUV. Bold new entry into the world of modern SUVs that's turning heads everywhere. This isn't just a facelift. This is a complete reinvention, a fresh identity for a vehicle that dares to push boundaries and redefine expectations in its class. At first glance, the 2025 Duster ECO-G commands attention with its striking exterior design. The bold lines, flared wheel arches, and aggressive rear profile immediately give it a tough, premium feel. The taillights are futuristic, sharp, and signature in their design, giving the SUV a unique identity, especially when seen at night. The dual exhaust outlets at the back aren't just there for looks. They hint at the power and performance that lies beneath the surface. With a sporty black roof, spoiler, roof rails, and a muscular stance, the new Duster ECO-G is ready for anything, from city streets to rugged mountain roads. Under the hood, the 2025 model continues the brand's mission of combining performance with sustainability. As the name suggests, the ECO-G variant runs on a bi-fuel system, gasoline and LPG, delivering efficiency without sacrificing power. The 1.0 to 1.3-liter turbocharged engine options are engineered to give a smooth yet punchy performance, offering the perfect blend of fuel savings and responsive driving. With an estimated 120 to 130 horsepower and excellent torque output, this SUV delivers a confident drive whether you're overtaking on the highway or cruising through off-road trails. One of the highlights of the Duster ECO-G is its engineering. LPG-powered vehicles produce fewer CO2 emissions compared to petrol engines, and the ECO-G capitalizes on that advantage. The system intelligently switches between gasoline and LPG, optimizing fuel economy based on your driving conditions. With a dual-tank setup, you also get an extended range, perfect for long journeys without constantly stopping at the fuel pump. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Duster has seen a major upgrade in quality, layout, and features. The design is minimalistic yet practical, with a clear focus on comfort and functionality. You're greeted with soft-touch materials, a redesigned dashboard, and a floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The screen is crisp and responsive, letting you navigate, stream, and control settings with ease. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find a fully digital driver display, offering real-time information like speed, fuel type and use, fuel range for each tank, and eco-driving feedback to help you maximize efficiency. This is more than just a utility SUV. It's smart, connected, and built for the modern driver. Passenger comfort has also been significantly improved. The seats are more ergonomic with better cushioning and side support. Whether you're driving, through traffic, or taking a long road trip, the 2025 Duster ECO-G ensures a fatigue-free experience. Rear passengers benefit from increased legroom, USB ports, and adjustable air vents, making this SUV a strong contender for families and adventure seekers alike. In terms of safety, the 2025 model is packed with technology. You get advanced driver assistance systems such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering in tight spots easier than ever. This is not just a car, it's peace of mind on wheels. Let's talk about the driving experience. On the road, the Duster ECO-G feels planted and composed. Thanks to improved suspension tuning and better chassis dynamics, the ride quality is smooth even on rough surfaces. Steering feedback is precise, and the SUV feels responsive in corners. The LPG engine delivers power seamlessly, with very little difference in performance between LPG and gasoline modes. The switch is so seamless, most drivers won't even notice when it happens. It's refined, it's efficient, and most importantly, it's fun to drive. For those who enjoy weekend getaways or outdoor adventures, the Duster ECO-G offers all the essentials. With a spacious cargo area, split folding rear seats, roof bars, and optional all-wheel drive capability in some variants, this SUV can take you and your gear wherever the road leads, mud, snow, or gravel. The Duster doesn't back down. Its raised ground clearance and skid plates provide added protection and confidence on uneven terrain. Now let's touch on design again. The 2025 model introduces a whole new visual language. The front grille is more angular and defined, giving it a premium SUV appearance. LED daytime running lights and full LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also boost its bold road presence. The blacked out details, contrasting trims, and large alloy wheels add an athletic, urban edge that makes this SUV stand out in a crowded segment. From an ownership perspective, the ECO-G variant is a winner. LPG is significantly cheaper than traditional petrol in many markets, meaning lower fuel costs and long-term savings. And since the engine is tuned to operate optimally on both fuels, there's no sacrifice in durability or maintenance. It's built to last, with a reputation for reliability. backed by manufacturer support and growing infrastructure for LPG refueling. The 2025 Duster ECO-G is also future-ready. It includes over-the-air update capabilities, ensuring your infotainment and system features stay up to date without visiting the dealership. It supports remote features via smartphone apps like remote locking, vehicle location, fuel level monitoring, and even remote climate preconditioning. These features add a layer of convenience typically reserved for luxury SUVs. When it comes to price, the 2025 Duster ECO-G is expected to be extremely competitive, starting at a price range that undercuts many rivals in the segment. It offers incredible value for money. You get the practicality of a full-size SUV, the eco-friendly advantage of LPG, and the technology and safety of much higher-priced models. For families, young professionals, and adventurers, it hits the sweet spot. This SUV is more than just a budget-friendly utility vehicle, it's a symbol of evolution. The Duster has come a long way, and the 2025 ECO-G model proves that affordable SUVs can be smart, stylish, and sustainable. It's the kind of vehicle that appeals to both the head and the heart. So, should you consider the 2025 Duster ECO-G for your next car? Absolutely. Whether you're looking for an everyday city commuter, a weekend getaway machine, or just a smart, fuel-efficient ride that doesn't skimp on features, this SUV checks all the boxes. It's practical, bold, modern, and designed to perform. Thanks for joining us today on Car World for this in-depth look at the 2025 Duster ECO-G. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic car reviews.